Hey guys, I just did whatever the fuck they're called. Anyway, hey guys. So this is hey, can't you see me? Ways hand introduced. Okay, sorry, IMVU. My friend's having a baby on IMVU. Anyways, so this is my burping video, and what happened was I ate a whole bunch of food, like no joke. Like, I ate a banana, orange, I'm eating banana peppers. Ow, my headphones. My back is hurting, so. Banana peppers, this juice actually makes me burp. And I drank a bit, the video was 18 minutes, so I can chug Pepsi. But I chugged this whole thing of, Pepsi, and it was full, and I ate a few chips. And I started to burp, and accidentally, my laptop died. It didn't die, but, like, it cut off. And I was like, fuck. So, I'm just kind of, like, sad about it. So I'm just going to be drinking banana pepper juice and hopefully I can get some gnarly burps for you guys, but I don't know if I can or not. This also helps me burp, just saying. Not opium. Yeah. I just got too solid for me. That's nice. I have cuts inside of my lips, and this is burning. Where are my ponytails? Sorry, I had the green one on me. I'm gonna wait to you. I don't even care if my hair looks like shit right now. Actually, I do care. I see, like, this whole part, like, I don't even care. For this video, things are gonna be on this side. Yeah, alright. Let's get the burping on. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do this, so. It looks like I have long hair for some reason, but I don't. Just the fact of my shirt and this, and this. I mean, this part stay down. Oh, damn, that was gay. Ugh. 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 Oh, that was a gay burp. Okay, fuck me. Yeah, but I don't think I can do it, but I'll try it again. Oh, and my mom's going to bed soon. She just brushed her teeth. Yeah. So, she'll be coming in, or she won't be coming in, so I'll be able to do the Finland challenge and the Iceland salt challenge. And then Sean wants me to do a video of me moaning. So, doing that too, I guess, up for the night. I can't do it. From here. Oh, that felt amazing. No, I just banana pepper. I can't burp out. Oh, I can't burp. Fuck yes. Okay. It's actually going somewhere now. But I'm not trying. My lip is starting to swell up because of the juice. I'm listening to music, by the way, so. I want a banana. Like, a banana like this banana. Shit, it's trying to do this. Lovely. I think I can go somewhere with this, actually. Ugh. Nah. Maybe it's the eggs. Yes, Nishan, it's the eggs. Oh, found out why I can't burp. In my previous video, someone dared me to eat an egg, and I really don't like eggs. So now I can't burp because I ate an egg. So. Oh, that was kind of okay. I'm sorry if you guys. I'm sorry if you. Okay. I'm sorry if you guys think this is this is really terrible. If you guys don't like it, tell me down in the comment. Jordan, I just said Jordan because I was reading. I don't know. I was like, sorry if this is really crappy, like I was saying. Tell me down in the comments below. I have the attention span of a butterfly. Anyways, tell me down below in the comments. Okay, we're going back over there. If you guys don't like it, if you guys didn't like it and stuff, and then I'll try to make another one. Okay. So yeah, I'll talk to you guys in the next video I make, which is probably going to be the one of me moaning. Yeah, so subscribe up top, like down below, and yeah, and I will see you guys next time for a chill kiss in 3, 2, 1.